हजारों वर्ष से असम भारत का एक अभिन्न अंग है। यहाँ हजारों वर्षों का सनातन परंपरा रही है। यहाँ भाषा, संस्कृति, इतिहास, कला, अध्यात्म सभी में हम गौरवशाली अहोमिया, गौरवशाली भारतीय हैं। But it pains me to say that during the time of partition, the top Congress leadership, they almost handed over Assam to the Group C, that is to Pakistan. जो बात मैं अभी सदन के समक्ष रखना चाहता हूं, ये मुझे भी पता नहीं था। I recently read the Mountbatten's interview records dated 11th of April 1947, and I was shocked and astonished to read that the conversation between Mountbatten and Jawaharlal Nehru. In that conversation, Mountbatten warned Nehru that Jinnah might demand the partition of Assam, and Nehruji responded, and it was a perfectly reasonable request and could be agreed to.
Same.
So I repeat, Mountbatten warned Jinnah that he might demand the separation, the partition of Assam, and Nehru said that it's perfectly reasonable request and could easily agree. Answer: it is available and it is documented by you yourself. This is documented by my honorable dear friend. This is documented by selected works of Jawaharlal Nehru, Series 2, Volume 2, page number 87, which is sponsored by Congress. This is not an invention by me. Honorable Sir, this is available in public domain. This is a publication sponsored by Congress itself. Muslim League wanted, Jinnah wanted, even Jawaharlal Nehru ji agreed to. But लेकिन महाभारती के आशीर्वाद है, यह संभव नहीं हुआ। क्योंकि असम के सुपुत्र लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बोरदोलोई और असमवासी ने इसका विरोध किया। उस संकट काल में असमवासियों का साथ खड़ा रहे महात्मा गांधी, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस के भाई, स्वतंत्रता सेनानी शरद चंद्र बोस और डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी।